Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my new video. So today we are cleaning my study table and we are having so much fun today and lots of things not scaring my study table exactly. So look, there's a plant and there's nothing inside. See, just the cotton and glue. And I'm sorry for not making my YouTube video. I'm so sorry, guys. And my tape is so good tape. And one glue, normal glue, what you said, glue stick. And Chinese glue and pink punk. It's a, I don't know what is right Chinese glue. Now we have pretty markers and some decorating. So first we will put our markers, 12 markers, and then our 2 glue, normal glue, Chinese glue. In the front off, we will put like this. You can see. You see? Okay. Now we can put this up. Now we can put this tape. And we took and our glue and a bucket. And now we're cleaning again. Messy stationery and 2 staplers. A lot of things what I can do. Put them here. Yeah. And one big one stapler. One small one. Now we can do this all, clean it up, this mess. I like my sketch pencil. Where's my another sketch pencil? One second, guys. Here I come. Hey guys, I don't find my sketch pencil. Maybe the sketch pencil will inside the box. No. Let's make a pony because my hairs are just like like here, but my mommy cut here. But I want long hair, but I don't have it. Let's make a pony. In the pony, you have relax. In not pony, you will have hop. And if you have pony, you can make a pony. There's you feel cold and hot. If there's hot, that will go. Let's see. And all brushes. This one and the biggest one. There's the smallest and this. Who is this? My crayon and my eraser is brother's pet. So, a crayon and another crayon. My mommy gifted it to me. My mommy gifted it to me. And I cute pen. abstract pen. And so this and two markers. One is the erase and one is permanent. Now this is an highlighter and some colors. One color, two colors, and where's my another color? But for school I have unicorn magical. Promise they're magical. Oh my god. And some pencils, colors. No, that is empty. And Chachu and me and brother go in bookshop and $1 shop. And Chachu said you can buy this. I buy glitter paint. And these are my favorite. Oh, where's pink and red? Anyone know? I don't think so. Look, my all nut pen. I don't see my red. I don't find my red. I don't find my red. And my pink and my... What is that color? Gray. Is not. Their caps are gone. And pinky is... I don't know where is pinky. And some markers. One marker is not. And these are all markers. These are mine. Now this is empty. Oh, sorry. Now we can put all things in our stationery box. Now first of all, pens. These are all pens. Look, where's Pinky? I don't know. And some crayons. And some maybe important things like permanent marker, gray erase, with whitener, my highlighter. Whereas my mommy does not give my highlighter. She had my purple one, yellow one, pink one, these three, and so. Not I'm angry. And colors, pencil, old one. Green one. You know, guys, I have lots of stationery, you know. And now, where is it? And this marker is too important. What you are doing here? Important too. Skate pencil important. These are important things. Now our glitter bleeder. paints. And our brushes. Let's put it up. Ow, but he hurts me. Yeah, put here. Now watch it. There's one big one and one small one. I can show you in the last. Some crayons and some decorating. Plus white, red, look at one inside. And where's another one? This nip, another nip. Purple broken, black broken. It is brown. It is brown. I have a stationery set that we can carry this with your hands, and all stationery, paint, scale, eraser, pencil, sharpener, and some crayons and colors, and seriously blue. And what we said, the pins. I don't know, but that is an answer one, and I don't know that much. Why these are going? Okay. My piece and my eagly woolly eyes. And my pants. These are scared. My pants are scared. What is? Oh my gosh. And magic. And my scissors. And my paint. Glass. And I could have put razors and tape. And a pen. And another scissor. And a scale. And a pen. Ow. And there's all stuff. This is scared, you know. We can scare it. Yeah. And my mandala tape. Yeah. And let's show you. This is the final touch.